Hey y'all, Steven here from King Cloud Consulting, and today we're going to show you the Salesforce and Docusign integration. No surprise that Docusign already made this one native as well, since um, they're the biggest signature platform in the world, tied to the biggest sales platform in the world. You want to make sure the salespeople can send off their DocuSigns as quickly as possible. Most typically, what we see is people use it in their opportunity view. So me, a salesperson, is working on a deal. And on my opportunity page, I'm going to have a lot of different fields. Some of them custom, some of them not, whether that's the amount, the signer, um, what kind of products they're doing, the ID. All that stuff can really simply and easily get funneled into the DocuSign automatically rather than relying on someone having to do it manually. And the way you kind of do that is you set it up um, one time through this contract creation tool. Um, you already probably have documents created in DocuSign that you use. They essentially can just migrate into here, and you have fields that you can just drag and drop in. Whether it's, hey, I want a signature here, initial here, whatever else. The one part that makes a difference is the merge fields. So I've only added 4 in here for demonstration purposes, but any single one of these fields that we saw on the opportunity can be made in a merge field to automatically pull. So if you want a tracking number to automatically get pulled in there, the amount to automatically get pulled in there, these will then auto-populate when the salesperson sends the contract. And then sending the contract is as easy as pressing this Send DocuSign button. They're going to press it. We're going to load. And then as soon as this loads, you can actually set up whether or not you want to let your salespeople make additional changes or not. So we have a selected document. We have the recipient. You can change the email subject, the message, anything you want. We've already pulled in who the owner is, who's going to be signing, adding recipients, reminders, all that fun stuff. And then we just have our prepare and send. Once this loads, we have a preview of that document, which we can go ahead and send. One of the really nice things about this integration too is that the send status will also show up in Salesforce so that I can know, was it sent, was it opened, was it signed, and all those updates happen in near real time. So once that person opens it, they're going to be able to see in about a minute or two whether or not that's signed, and then we can even create automations to automatically close the deal from there. If you might be a manager, you're going to also have a view to see what are all the DocuSigns that are sent out from my team, from certain members, this, that, the other. And you can see here which ones are completed, which ones are sent. So you can always have a good view of what's going on. As I said, super popular integration, super easy one to set up. If you have any questions about it or anything else about Salesforce and the integrations that we do, feel free to give us a shout. Our email is in the description below. We'd love to hear from you. All the best. Cheers now.